How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? My name's Tom Dyer. Today I'm going to be going through the sea breeze, the bay breeze, and the summer breeze. Summer. Anyway, that's right, summer is on the way and it's time for some cool, refreshing cocktails. And these three are three classics which get mixed up sometimes. So I'm going to take you through which one is which, how to make them, and how to make them look sexy. Let's get going. So there we have it, the sea breeze, the bay breeze, and the summer breeze. Three simple cocktails made sexy, and super delicious, super tasty. Right, let's kick off with the sea breeze. Super easy, super simple, and one of the easiest ones to remember as well. So it's a built cocktail, and it's a large measure of vodka in the bottom. Easy as that. Then we're gonna get behind that with some cranberry juice right there. All right, your flaming galah. And then on top, we need grapefruit juice. Now some people say you need to float the grapefruit juice on top. Some people just whack it in there. I like to try and float it. There's a little top tip, Tom's top tip. Top tip, now if you shake up your grapefruit juice slightly, don't kill it because you're gonna be diluting it a little bit. You shake it slightly, just like that. And then you can just strain that right on top. Ooh, gently. Yes. Oh, yes. Ooh. Sexy, sexy. Now, garnish for the sea breeze is a lime wedge. So grab yourself a juicy lime. Lammy. And we're just gonna sit that onto the side of the glass like this and finish off with a colorful straw, which we're gonna put in there ever so gently. That is the sea breeze. Easy peasy, sea breeze squeezy. You know it. Right, let's give it a quick taste. Mix it up a little bit. After all that fantastic, sexy presentation, cheers. And we'll squeeze the lime in there. Straight in, watch, bosh. Close enough. Straight in, here we go. Ooh, yes. This is why I loved making a sea breeze when I was at work, because it's just a lime wedge in the drink and you can lob it in the drink like that. Obviously, it depends on the bar, but you get the idea. It's dry, slightly bitter, and delicious. Dry, bitter, delicious. You're welcome. All right, moving on. If you are liking this video, don't forget to hit on that like button and subscribe to the channel. I post 2 videos per week, every Tuesday and every Friday. And if you click that bell, you'll be notified when those videos go live. Thanks very much. Back to the video. Next, we're doing the Bay Breeze. Now, remember I said at the beginning, all 3 cocktails have something in common. They all have vodka and they all have cranberry. So the first one was vodka, cranberry, and grapefruit juice with a squeeze of lime. This Bay Breeze is vodka, cranberry, pineapple juice, guess what, with a squeeze of lime. Of course, let's do a little bit of flair for this one. Boo! Yep. Okay, cranberry juice wise, we're gonna do a shot and a half. That's that much. Whatever it is for your measurements, go right ahead. And then pineapple juice, the same amount. Make sure you shake your pineapple juice because sometimes it can separate in the bottle or the carton, so make sure you give it a good old shakety McShakerson. Bosh. Easy as that. Now, we're gonna shake this up. Now, when I'm shaking these ones, you don't want to completely destroy the cocktail. You just want to mix the ingredients together, chill it down a little bit. So just a quick 15 shakes. And with this, the pineapple version, you're going to get a nice foamy goodness. Oh, yes. Yes! So garnish-wise, you could have a pineapple flag, which is basically a fresh piece of pineapple and a cherry, but we want to sexify these up a little bit. So we're gonna chuck a nice dehydrated pineapple, which has been brushed in agave and honey and dehydrated, obviously. And we are gonna just chuck in a lime squeeze on top as well, just to add a little bit of color. And finishing off with a straw. Of course, it's a paper straw. We like to save the turtles. But there we go. Bay Breeze. Easy peasy, Bay Breeze squeezy. Huh? I know, they just get better and better. Just lob this one onto a napkin because why not? And the Bay Breeze, that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Really similar to the last one, but this time you've obviously got pineapple juice. So it has a slightly sweeter taste to it, and you've got that sort of slightly sour edge you can get from pineapple as well. Super delicious. You've got the nice foamy top on top of the cocktail, which adds to the texture if you want to drink it without the straw as well. Yes. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Something, something, something in my mind. Yes, up next is the summer breeze. Okay, I won't do it again. Summer breeze, same as before. Vodka and cranberry juice is in it. But this time we've also got some elderflower Saint Germain liqueur. And we've got some cloudy apple juice. Sound effects are always necessary, but just like ice in your glass, because it makes it cold, exactly. Now, for this, same vodka again, we're using Nero vodka, and we've got a shot and a half. I had to stop talking because I've got to count while I pour. Anyway, we've got a shot and a half of our vodka, and then we need half a shot of our elderflower Saint Germain. Ooh. This one is going to probably be my favorite because it's got a slightly sweet edge because of the Saint Germain. Then we need our cranberry juice, of course. Same as before, we're going to have a shot and a half of cranberry. So that much. Do you know what? I'm going to do a dash more because my glass is slightly bigger this time. I've got my little juice, my little apple juice box. Aww. And we need a shot and a half or a little bit more because I've got a big glass on top. And I'm going to put just a dash more of the other ingredients as well. And then we need to give this one a little old shaky McShakerson. And same as before, we don't have to absolutely destroy the cocktail. You want to mix it together, dilute it down slightly. So, perfect. Oh, yes. So, let's just swing this bad boy onto the top like that. What we call a nice pour. Yes, it is. Garnish wise with this, we're gonna get fancy, a little bit fancy schmancy. I'm keeping the regular lime squeeze on top. It's not called for in every recipe, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna make just a really simple apple fan, because I am a fan of apples. Now what you can do if you really want, you're gonna make an apple fan, you can just grab a piece of apple like this onto the side of the glass. Super simple, but no, we are sexifying these cocktails. Chop off the end. We haven't cut the apple directly in half. Okay, we're kind of off center. Then we're just gonna cut off a couple of millimeters sliced, and 5 slices is enough. There's some people that can do apple fans which are just insanely awesome, but I'm gonna keep it simple and sexy. And then once you've got those 5 pieces, you're just gonna fan it out, hence the name apple fan. And you can play around with this, and you can leave it like that, or, so once you've made your apple fan, you're gonna get your toothpick or any kind of pick that you've got, lob it through the middle, and then just poke into the drink like this. Yes. Or you can have it hanging off the side of the glass like that. And that is another colourful straw. Look at that, oh, that matches. Matches. And that is the summer breeze. The summer breeze. The summer breeze. And we all do like a summer breeze. Well, let's see what it tastes like quickly. If you like slightly sweeter cocktails, this is the one for you because the Saint Germain brings it that sweet edge and slightly elderflower taste. If you want them dry and bitter, go for the Sea Breeze. And if you want something somewhere in between, then the Bay Breeze is the one for you. If you did want to get a bit fancier on your Sea Breeze, you can grab yourself a dehydrated grapefruit and then you can lob that on the end as well. And there we go, 3 simple cocktails made sexy, really simple to make, really easy, super tasty. So tasty, in fact, I'm gonna go and drink all of them. Well, this is a delicious apple. Before I go, I do want to say a huge thank you to all of these legends right here who are supporting me over on Patreon. If you want to find out a little bit more about that, there is a link down below where you can go and check that one out. There's a lot more content being posted over there, including my 3-Minute Thursday series, whereas the new one's starting this week. Plus, I'm going to be doing live streams, and there is a personal messaging system where we can have personal contact. If that's something which floats your boat, don't know if it does. But anyway, thank you so much to all of you guys. Thank you to everybody who's watched and got this far. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and until Friday, I'll see you then.